Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Skate error code. First, you need a stable internet connection with low latency. Then, make sure the latest version of Skate is installed. Keep your drivers and Windows system updated. Then, ensure the EA app or Steam is running properly with your account logged in. To fix the connection lost error, restart your game and check if the servers are temporarily down. Then, verify your internet connection or switch to a wired network. Next, clear the cache in the EA app or Steam and restart the client. Then, disable VPN, proxies, or background downloads that may interrupt the connection. Keep your game and launcher updated to avoid compatibility issues. Server-side outages may cause this error, so check EA server status. The firewalls or antivirus software may block Skate's online features. If the error persists, reinstall the game or contact EA support. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.